Alright guys, I'm back on the 18 van. Basically, it's flooding itself again, and I think it's my fault. When I put that little piece in there to let the fuel travel back to the return line, you know, with the ethanol fuel, I mistakenly put it on the other side of the filter, so it was letting dirt get in the carburetor. But I'm going to go ahead and add another filter today and take the lid off the carburetor and clean it out again, hopefully for the last time. Alright, the filter's on there. Make sure when you put these on, they normally have an arrow. This one has it's marked in, so of course that's where your fuel tank hooks to. But let's go ahead and see if we got any leaks. Oh yeah, and by the way, if you ever do a shackle flip on a old Chevy van, Dodge shocks, like 2010 Dodge Ram shocks, fit perfectly. Right here you can see I marked full compression. Look how much travel you got. But just so you know. Just want to look up in here, under here and make sure we don't have any fuel leaking. And we don't. Alright, looking good. That's what's in them bowls. You can see a little bit. Got some dirt in there. I'll clean them out and we'll throw it back together. Alright, I don't know if you can, well, I'm sure you can see that, but all those little specks of dirt were on the other side of of the needle and seat, and that can definitely cause some flooding issues if that gets in between the needle and the seat. Alright, everything's cleaned up and put back together. Let's see if it'll fire. Oh. Leaking fuel filter. Let's try that again. Not leaking anymore, thank God. Alright. That's it for this video. Seems to be running alright. I'll catch you in the next one.